What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day because, well, you know that Ford Falcon that we talked about last time? We are going to move it from this storage place that we have over here, and we're gonna move it to the garage so that way we can work on it. Now, in order to do so though, first, we decided that we are going to buy some used tires because the tires are flat. We're here right now, and then so that way a tow truck driver will have a little bit less of a hard time to load it up and bring it over to the garage. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head over to a store so that way we can go ahead and get stands. Looks like it will do. All right, guys, so we have jack stands. Excuse the mess because this is for our other business and everything, but we have some old school jack stands and we only had 2 of these, so we went ahead and purchased 2 more so we can put it all on jack stands, all 4 wheels, and get some tires. Now, I feel like this is important to note. These were at Walmart for 10 bucks each, 2-ton stands. And I mean, honestly, I feel like that's a pretty good deal since, well, this is a budget build. You're lifting up the passenger rear tire, and let's get a look underneath. That's actually not that bad. Doesn't look like there's a lot of leaks or anything like that, but again, it has been sitting for a while. So let's see if this wheel is locked up. Well, that wheel is not locked up, so that's a plus. So we have 1 wheel down that we know spins, which is better, and honestly I feel a lot better getting tires now that this one spins. We just have 3 more to lift up and check, and hopefully we're good. We actually might not have to get a tire for this one if we can maybe pump some air into that, you know, save money. That's a plus, that's a plus. Since those lug nuts are rusty, I am going to use PB Blaster on all of these wheels here, and basically I swear by this stuff. It's not a sponsor, but although if there's any chance that there's executives watching today's video, hey, PB Blaster, I'm representing. That's 2. Boy, we're just moving along. Got all the lug nuts off. I mean, I might have not needed to douse them in PB Blaster, all of them, but hey, you know what? It's better safe than sorry at this point, so we're on track. Is that considered a flat spot on a tire? I don't really know. All right, guys, so we have all of the wheels off. This one is actually good. I'm just gonna take it to a tire shop and have them air it up. We got the tire size right there. So what we're gonna do is call around and see exactly if there's a tire shop nearby, and hopefully they have some used tires there. Guys, I know we're on a budget here, but I went out and bought this at Lowe's. This is a lifesaver, man. I mean, honestly, spend the money. It was $169 before taxes, and obviously it was a breeze to take off those wheels. Otherwise, we probably would still be over there. And guys, if you know Texas at all, it is so hot. So forgive me if I'm like really sweating. I'm sorry you guys have to look at all this. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and check out what tire shops can help us out. So I found some tires. They're a little bit smaller than what I want. It's 185, 65 14s, but you know what? For the deal that they're giving us, I think this is the best option, honestly. So we are just right around the corner. They're gonna install them real quick, and hopefully we can get them mounted back on and get the Falcon towed over to the garage. If y'all ever need some tires, go to TireLink. They are freaking awesome. I vouch for them all the time. I used to do a lot of business with them when I worked at an automotive shop, so they're really good guys. I told you, these guys are already working on these things. They're so awesome, honestly. Like, I vouch for them all the time. Sorry, the freeway's here, but tire link, hit them up. Dude, those look sick. I actually might want these for the truck. And then you go up here and you have some for the Jag. Who knows? If this video gets like 100,000 likes, which I doubt, I think that I might get those. One for the truck, one for the Jag. 100,000 likes. What do you guys think? There they are. Guys, that took like 15 minutes. I'm telling you, these guys are awesome. The area, look them up. Tire Link. They're over here in Spring area, right off of 45. You won't regret it. All right, guys, so we made it. Got 2 new tires. It all worked out for the better. Let's get to it. Look how tiny they are. But you know what? They were cheap. I ended up going with 2 185 65 14s. Obviously, this is just temporary. The other ones were still good. They hold air, so that's a plus, money saver there. But those are 195 70 R14s. So, you know, a little bit taller and stuff, and wider, I believe. Looking all right though. And then we hurry up, put these bad boys on, call a tow truck, and get it over to the garage. Start working on it. And she sits with new shoes on. Perfect. I mean, of course, some shoes are bigger than others, but you know what? This is inspiring. I'm getting excited, guys. So let's go ahead and call that tow truck, get it over to the garage. So eons later, we finally got a tow here, and this bad boy's going home. And we also have the hookup with towing, South County Towing. There's their number. Go ahead and give them a call. Gave me good rates. But this beast is going home. It's fully loaded now. We'll see you guys at the house. There we go, guys. Home sweet home. And just like that, we're gonna unload her. Well, there she is, guys, just like that. Tow truck driver just left. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rinse it off a little bit. You know, I think I'm gonna buy a pressure washer because there's a lot of like grime that doesn't seem like it will come off all the way. My idea of a pressure washer is not to take off the rest of the paint that's on here, even though that still may happen because it's very chalky, if you can see my hands. But honestly, you know, once we get the pressure washer on, that's good. But right now we just want to wash it up just a little bit because it's in much need of a bath. All right, guys, so she's all washed up. Well, not all washed up, but she's rinsed down, I should say. And honestly, it does look a lot better. I know it may not look a lot better as far as the camera is putting out, but we got rid of like all the pollen that Texas is notorious for. And we got rid of some spiders along the way too. I don't like spiders. Anyways, and oh no, missing the F on that. We got to get the F on that. That pretty much sums up today's video, guys. If you like the video, please smash that like button. I'm so sorry. I really do wish that I was able to work on the car already, but it just took forever to get a tow truck over. We had to get some new tires so it's rollable, and I'm so thankful that I did get new tires because none of the wheels are locked up, so that's a plus. But as they spin slowly while we're pushing, you can hear a grinding noise. So I'm anxious to get in there and actually see what's going on in the 4 drum brakes. Now, I really do want to convert it to disc brakes, just for safety reasons and power booster and stuff like that. So hopefully we'll get that far with it, but of course, first and foremost, we have to get it running. So next video, guys, please subscribe, like, and also hit that notification bell so that way you know exactly what's gonna happen and when I post the next video, so you don't miss a heartbeat and hopefully hear it running or puttering. Anyways, without further ado, have a nice day. Peace.